Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue where it says the file is too large for the destination file system. So if you're trying to modify a USB flash drive or external media and it says that the file is too large for the destination file system, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by opening up File Explorer. If you want to search for it in the search menu, you can. I'm just going to open it up through the taskbar icon. And then I'm going to select this PC on the left side. Right click on whatever drive you're having the problem with. So assuming it's not a Windows drive and it's an external drive like I mentioned earlier in the video, please note that we're going to actually be formatting the drive, so anything that's saved on the drive is going to be deleted. So make sure you back up everything on the drive, make sure you save it to somewhere else before you perform this upcoming action, because we will be clearing everything off the drive. There won't be anything left on it. All your data will be deleted. So you want to right click on the drive and select Format. And now this is what's very important here. Underneath File System, click inside the drop down, set it to NTFS, and then select Start, and then select Yes. Format should be complete. Select OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. You should be able to transfer your files to that drive, assuming that your drive has enough capacity to hold said files. But pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.